Hello and welcome. In today's video I will show you how to create a custom list on Google Maps. To do this, it's very simple. You have just to go and open Google Maps. And as you can see in the bottom of the screen, there is three icons: Explore, EU and Contribute. So we should click on EU. And as you can see here, the first option is New List. We click on it. And here you can choose the icon of your list, whatever icon you want. For example, I will put this icon and I will call this list food. And you can also put a description for this list. And also you can make this list private or share it like with someone if you want to share that list, or put it private only for yourself. And after that, click on save. And as you can see, we have now a new list called food. So if we go back like that, as you can see, that private list is available in our lists of favorites. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.